January 18, 1958. Breaking barriers. Willie O'Ree made history as the first black player in the National Hockey League. Born on October 15, 1935, in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada, O'Ree was called up from the Quebec Aces to replace an injured player for the Boston Bruins. He debuted against the Montreal Canadiens at the Montreal Forum, contributing to the Bruins' 3-0 victory. Despite being blind in his right eye, a result of a hockey injury 2 years prior, O'Ree kept this condition hidden, knowing it could jeopardize his professional aspirations. His perseverance led him back to the Bruins in the 1960-61 season, during which he played 43 games, scoring 4 goals, and adding 10 assists. Notably, on January 1, 1961, O'Ree scored his first NHL goal in a game against the Canadiens. O'Ree faced racial prejudice throughout his career, enduring derogatory remarks from fans and players. He later reflected on these experiences, stating that such comments would go in one ear and out the other. His resilience not only paved the way for future players of diverse backgrounds, but also challenged the status quo in a predominantly white sport. After his NHL tenure, O'Ree continued to play professionally in various leagues, including the Western Hockey League, where he had notable stints with the Los Angeles Blades and the San Diego Gulls. In 1998, he became the NHL's Director of Youth Development and an ambassador for the NHL Diversity Program, promoting inclusion within the sport. Willie O'Ree's legacy was further cemented when he was inducted into the Hockey Hall of Fame in 2018. His pioneering efforts have left an indelible mark on the sport, inspiring generations and fostering a more inclusive hockey community. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history,